Before the battlefields, there were tavern tables. In smoky colonial inns, ordinary men whispered, argued, and planned, and the Sons of Liberty found their voice. These crowded rooms became the social heartbeat of resistance, and the place where revolution quietly began. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history within the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. In colonial Massachusetts, taverns were everywhere, places to eat, drink, lodge, and gather in a world with few public spaces. Taverns served as post offices, meeting halls, courtrooms, and job boards, where everyday life and politics collided. Sailors, merchants, and travelers brought news from London, the Caribbean, and other colonies, shared aloud over ale. In Boston taverns, debates over taxes, rights, and British authority turned ordinary citizens into political thinkers. At the Green Dragon Tavern, Patriot leaders met in secret, calling it the headquarters of revolution. Groups like the Sons of Liberty planned protests, boycotts, and resistance behind closed tavern doors. British officials watched taverns closely, knowing rebellion often began with whispered conversations and raised mugs. Before muskets fired, revolution spread through taverns, one conversation, one drink, one idea at a time.